You're welcome, Justin Bieber. Glad you're enjoying the Jer. Hi, I'm Jer. Usually I have my hair done nice, but today for some reason when we were talking about my hair, I decided to wear a hat. Anywho, Justin Bieber got his hair cut just like me. It's kind of a nice do where, you know, it's kind of it's short around here, blended with the top, and you just mix it up so it's kind of a messy style.
Whoops, sorry, G, I wasn't supposed to get you. What it could look like is kind of like Gilmore's down here.
That would kind of ruin the whole thing. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
You can get yourself a free Jer if you're one of the first 9 people this morning that go to Hairscape Gallery, downtown Fargo. Ryan Benz and the crew will get you a free Jer. And if you're not one of the first, you can still get a Jer for $9 at Hairscape. So enjoy your haircut, Bieber, and just know where you saw it first.